Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. My name is Anna, and I am your friend for learning English. I hope you are having a beautiful day. Is it sunny where you are? Or is it raining? Here, the weather is very cloudy and a little bit cold. I feel very cozy and happy because I love this weather. It is perfect for our topic today.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our wonderful friends around the world. I am Tom. I am very happy and I feel very calm today. The rain is falling slowly outside my window. It makes a very soft sound. Tap, tap, tap. It is a very relaxing day to be inside and talk to you. I am ready to learn and share with everyone.
I agree, Tom. It is a perfect day for a quiet place. Today, we are going to a very special place. It is a place with many, many books. It is a place where people go to read, to study, and to think. Do you know what place it is?
Oh, I think I know. Is it the library? I love the library. It is one of my favorite places in the city. It is always so quiet and peaceful. When I walk into a library, I feel like I am in a different world.
Exactly. Today, we are going to talk about in the library. We will learn how to find a book and how to talk to the librarian. This is very useful because libraries are great places to practice English for free.
That is a great idea, Anna. But first, we want to say thank you to all the people who watch our videos. You are amazing. If you are new here, please subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We want to help you speak English every day.
Yes, please subscribe. And please give this video a like. Your likes make us very happy. It helps more students find our lessons. Now, Tom, let's imagine we are walking to the library right now.
Okay, I am walking. I see the big building. It has big windows and a heavy door. I open the door very slowly. I don't want to make a loud noise. Inside, it is very, very quiet. I can smell the paper and the old books. I love that smell.
I love that smell too, Tom. It is the smell of knowledge. When we enter the library, we need to be very quiet. We don't talk loudly, we speak in a whisper. A whisper is a very soft voice, like this. Hello, Tom.
Hello, Anna. I like whispering. It feels like a secret. The library is very big. There are so many shelves. A shelf is the long piece of wood where the books sit. There are rows and rows of shelves. I feel a little bit lost. There are thousands of books.
Don't worry, Tom. If you feel lost, you can ask for help. There is always a person there to help you. That person is the librarian. Look, there is a desk near the entrance. That is the information desk.
Oh, I see the desk. And I see the librarian. It is a woman with glasses. She looks very kind and friendly. I want to find a book about history. How can I ask her, Anna? What are the words?
It is very simple, Tom. You can walk to the desk and say, "Hello, excuse me, I am looking for a book." You use the verb to look for when you want to find something.
Okay, I can do that. Excuse me, I am looking for a book about history. Is that correct?
That is perfect. The librarian will probably ask you, what kind of history, or what is the title of the book? The title is the name of the book.
I don't have a title. I just want to learn about ancient history, maybe about Egypt or Rome. I want a book with many pictures because I am a beginner.
That is a good plan. Books with pictures are great for learning. The librarian will look at her computer. She will type the words on the keyboard. Click, click, click. Then she will tell you a number.
Why a number, Anna? I want a book, not a number.
Every book in the library has a special number. It is called a call number. It is like the book's home address. The number tells you exactly which shelf the book is on.
I understand now. It's like a map. The librarian says the book is in section 900. She points her finger to the back of the room. I say, "Thank you very much for your help." You are very polite, Tom. That is important. Now we are walking to section 900. We see many big shelves. We look at the labels on the side of the shelves. It says 700, 800, and finally 900.
Here it is, section 900, History. I see books about many countries. I see books about kings and queens. I see books about wars and peace. I am looking for a book with a blue cover.
Look at the spine of the book, Tom. The spine is the part of the book you see when it's on the shelf. It has the title and the author's name. The author is the person who wrote the book.
I see it. History of the Ancient World. It has a blue spine. I pull the book out very gently. It is a big book. It is very heavy. I open the book and I see many beautiful pictures of pyramids.
That looks like a great book, Tom. I'm happy you found it. But wait, I want to find a book too. I want to find a storybook, a novel. I like fiction. Fiction means the stories are not real.
Fiction is fun. Where are the fiction books? They are usually in a different section. They are organized by the author's last name, from A to Z.
Yes, I am looking for a book by an author named Adams, so I go to the letter A. I see many books. I find one called The Secret Garden. I love this story. It is very sweet.
Now we both have books. What do we do now? Can we just leave with the books?
Oh no, Tom, we cannot just take the books home. We have to borrow them. To borrow means to take something for a short time and then give it back.
I remember now. I need a library card. I have my library card in my wallet. It's a small plastic card with my name on it.
Exactly. We go back to the front desk, or sometimes there is a machine. You can scan your card and scan the book. Beep. Now the computer knows you have the book.
How long can I keep the book, Anna? Can I keep it for a year?
No, Tom. Usually you can keep a book for 2 or 3 weeks. If you keep it longer, you have to pay a fine. A fine is a small amount of money you pay because you are late. We don't want to pay fines.
I will be very careful. I will write the date on my calendar. I will return the book on time. To return means to give the book back to the library.
You are very responsible, Tom. Now, before we go home, look at that area over there. There are many tables and chairs. People are sitting there with their laptops.
That is the study area. It is very quiet there. Some people are writing in notebooks. Some people are reading newspapers. Everyone is very focused.
I like to study in the library. There are no distractions. There is no TV and no loud music. It's just me and my books. And the library has free Wi-Fi too.
Free Wi-Fi is very good for students. They can look for information on the internet. But remember, friends, even if you use the internet, you must be quiet. Don't watch loud videos without headphones.
That is a very important rule. Use your headphones. Headphones are the things you put over your ears to hear sound.
I have my headphones in my bag. Sometimes I listen to English podcasts while I look at books. It's a great way to learn.
That is a fantastic idea, Tom. You are a great student. Now we are ready to leave. We have our books in our bags. We feel very happy because we have new things to read.
I feel very satisfied. The library is a wonderful place. It is full of stories and information, and it's free. Everyone can go to the library.
Yes, it is a treasure for the community. Friends, do you go to the library in your city? Do you like to read physical books, or do you prefer digital books on a tablet?
Please tell us in the comments. We love reading your comments. It makes us feel like we are talking to you. You can write, "I love my library," or "I like history books."
Your comments are very important. We read every single one. And if you have a question about a word we used today, ask us. We are here to help.
Don't forget to share this video with a friend who wants to learn English. Maybe you can go to the library together. Learning with a friend is the best way to improve. Thank you so much for being with us today in the library. It was a very peaceful journey. I am Anna.
And I am Tom. We are so happy to be your teachers. Remember, small steps every day make a big difference in your English.
Have a wonderful, quiet, and happy day. See you in our next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy reading.
Wait, Tom, before we go, let's review a few words. We said librarian, shelf, borrow, and return. These are the most important words for today.
Yes, and whisper. Don't forget whisper. It is my favorite word today. Goodbye.
Goodbye.